And we're going to start by talking about the thing you probably don't want to talk about, which is the pollen count. This time of year, it seems like at best we're in the medium category, and despite the chances of rain over the next few days, we're going to be staying in the medium to high category over that time frame. Let's take a look at today's pollen count. It's going to be medium high, teetering on the level of 10, which is when it gets just flat out high on the scale that goes up to 12. Oak, maple, juniper, the main offenders in the air, so just be prepared for it. It is that time of year. Looking outside this morning, and no problems weather-wise as you're hitting the roads for work this morning. Not seeing any fog. Skies brightening a little bit. It's a pretty sunrise right now in Nashville. The skies brightening as we speak, and no visibility issues whatsoever to slow you down on your way to work. We're also not seeing any shower activity, at least around the mid-state. The rain is all staying politely down to our south so far. Now, eventually some of that's going to sneak up towards us, but so far the showers are hundreds of miles away, so it's going to take most of the day for a few of those to even try to move up into our neck of the woods. I'll show you that on FUTURECAST in just a moment, but first let's get you out the door with temperatures, and they're not bad. Kind of a mix of 30s and 40s. A little chilly on the upper Cumberland, 33 degrees right now in Livingston, but that's the outlier on the chilly side. 45 degrees in Lawrenceburg, one of the warm locations along with Nashville. For the most part, temperatures beginning around 40 degrees, within a degree or two on either side. So a light jacket as you're heading out the door, but this cooler than normal weather pattern that we've been in is going to shift as we head through the next few days. The bulk of the really warm air is going to be farther out to our west, but the whole upper level jet stream pattern is going to be changing with that cool air continuing to push farther off to the northeast. The warm air surging up through the middle of the country, and we'll get at least a taste of that. We're not going to be setting any records, but a degree or two above average is still a degree or two above average, and that's what we're in for as we head through the day. Despite increasing clouds, temperatures are going to be up into the mid-60s by noon. Winds turning to the southeast. That's a warmer direction. Low 70s for highs this afternoon. Partly sunny, which means a mix of sun and clouds with the clouds kind of taking over. A brief shower is possible late this afternoon, but it's not tremendously likely. Let's check out FUTURECAST. It does show the cloud cover building in by midday through the afternoon. And just a few blips here on the radar simulation. The better chance of showers will take shape later tonight, around midnight into the early hours on Thursday. We're not talking about thunderstorms. We're not talking about severe weather, not even talking about heavy rain. And there will be gaps in between these showers. So it's still less than a 50-50 chance of rain, even when we have the best chance in the forecast for the first half of tomorrow. That rain backs up a little bit tomorrow, but there's more moisture. It's going to try to break off from the pack down to our south, move up towards us as we head into Friday. Best chance of showers for the end of the work week Friday will be farther south of Interstate 40, but once again, few and far between. It doesn't really look like we're going to have anything to worry about in terms of severe weather. In fact, no rumbles of thunder in the forecast as we head through the next few days, and the forecast will dry out as we head into the weekend. Just that slight, I can't completely rule it out, 20% chance of a shower on Saturday. Otherwise, looking pretty good for the first half of the weekend and looking really good for the second half of the weekend. Highs in the upper 70s, lots of sunshine on the way Sunday, and we'll keep it going Monday. Maybe a nice Monday. Is that possible? Have a nice Monday?
It looks like it will be.
We'll try it out.
Wow, that forecast is looking very nice once we get to the weekend. All right, 5:40.